Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I am going to show you how to rejoin a Discord server when you got banned on it. So basically, most people do is create an account and rejoin the server, which most of the time or always will not work, since when you get banned on Discord, your IP will also get banned. So if you use the same internet connection and go to that same server, you cannot join since your IP is banned. So what you'd want to do is download any VPN of your choice. So here I have a Proton VPN, and just go connect to anywhere in the world so that your IP will be changed. And now when your IP is changed, you can now create a new account, and then you could go back to that particular server where your last account got banned. So that should work since your IP has changed. And that is all, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.